Dangerous mud. Think about the dangerous side of nature. What comes to mind? Earthquakes, tornadoes, tidal waves? Mud probably isn't at the top of your list. It should be. Many people die in mudslides each year. A mudslide is an avalanche made of mud. What causes mudslides? They can start after there has been lots of rain. They often begin on hills or mountain slopes. Slopes are the side of mountains or hills. Mudslides often happen on slopes with nothing growing on them. Trees and plants hold the soil in place with their roots. When people cut down trees, the soil can easily slide. During a mudslide, rocks and mud slip down a hill. They move fast. They flow like a big brown river. Everything in the mudslide's way gets carried away. That includes trees, large rocks, cars, even houses. Deadly mudslides. Mudslides happen all over the world. All it takes is a lot of water and some loose dirt on a slope. Here are three examples. One happened in the United States, another took place in Peru, the third was in Venezuela. In December 2003, there was lots of rain in the mountains of California. The rain started a huge mudslide. It uprooted trees, large rocks were carried away. People who were camping nearby could not be rescued. The mudslide happened too quickly. The Andes Mountains are in Peru, South America. In April 2004, heavy rain fell there. The rain caused huge mudslides. Rivers of rock and mud carried homes away. Mud covered roads. Hundreds of tourists who were visiting Peru were trapped. The mudslides in 1999 in Venezuela, South America, were even worse. Thousands of people died. When I saw the wave of mud coming at me, I didn't have time to remember I was an old lady, said 74-year-old Blanca Rosa Geraldo. Blanca ran for safety. She survived. Staying safe. What can you do to stay away from mudslides? Start by being aware. Find out if mudslides happen in your area. Pay attention to the weather. Notice how much rain is falling. Don't go hiking when it rains. A mudslide can start on any hilly area. Look for mud or water running down a slope. Listen for strange sounds or rumbling noises. If a mudslide starts, get away as fast as you can. Move to higher ground, away from the mudslide. Don't go back after the slide stops. There may be more slides to follow.